Hello, my friends. Rick Billings here. Hey, I want to introduce you to our Purity filtered water bottle. This is an amazing filter that Ariix has patent pending on that filters pure water down to 99.9999. And I'll show you that in just a second because it's so important. You know, this water bottle, the combination of the water bottle and the Purity filter really is combining the power of science with the purity of nature to create, pure water. And it's got a lot of unique things to it here. The bottle is customized. It's a 20-ounce bottle. It's obviously using a bottle like this replaces the filter filters 50 gallons of water, so it replaces quite a few plastic bottles that go into our environment, by using a reusable bottle like this. It's very friendly. It fits in a traditional cup holder. It's leak free. It has a high flow out of the filter, which is very important. There are some filters out there to market, but you got to squeeze the bottle to get them out of there. And you don't have to do that with this particular bottle. It's got a customized lid that protects the built-in straw, let's say, for lack of terminology here, from dust and dirt in it. It's the bottle is toxic free, BPA free. It's double insulated. The stainless steel one is a double insulated stainless steel, so it keeps liquids hot and it keeps colder longer. It doesn't sweat at all. And then we got a flexible plastic, obviously. Okay, and some facts about the filter here is it's been tested. It meets and exceeds the NSF certification 53, standard 53, I should say, for removal of Giardia. I can't quite pronounce that other term. And then bacteria and viruses. It exceeds the NSF standard 42 for chlorine removal. We have some unique technology in this that has silver-based aquaspur, which basically it suppresses the growth of bacteria, allergy, fungus, mold, mildew within the filter. There's a zeolite sleeve technology that incorporates zeolite in it, or zeosleeve technology that incorporates zeolite. This is a naturally silicate minerals with a high affinity for capturing heavy metals and radioactive substances. Very, very important. It's got activated coconut shell carbon. It reduces waterborne chemicals, improves the taste of the water, eliminates offensive odors. And obviously you wouldn't want to, you want to store the filter in a cool, dry place. You never want to freeze it. The filters that are shipped to you they come sealed, and they're good forever until you break the seal. Okay, so they don't expire at all. As I said, one filter filters 50 gallons of water. Okay, there's a Q&A that you can find on my Buy Purity site here, and you can obviously find the pricing of the bottle down here, my contact information at the bottom. But I want to take you to the corporate site and show you a few things here, because there's some interesting stuff here. You can see that this is a filter that fits in the bottle. This is kind of an expanded view of it here. But when we click over on this filter details here, you're going to now see some characteristics of this filter. Now, again, we talked about the Purity bottle combines the power of science with the purity of nature. So think about that, okay? It's taking this filter technology, and it has a straw at the end of the filter that you can actually put any liquid, I shouldn't say any liquid, excuse me, you can put any source of water into this bottle, okay, and it'll filter pure 99.9999 pure water. You can put orange juice in it, water comes out. You can put Coke in it, water comes out. You can put a sports drink and water comes out. You can dip it in a mud puddle and water comes out. This is unbelievable. Now, this little chart over here shows you when they filter like 99% of the bacteria out of the water, you can see the bacteria, what's remaining is still 10,000 bacteria per million remaining. Okay? Now, that's quite a bit. That is quite a bit left in our water source, okay, at 99%. But as you increase this with the Purity water filter, 99.99, you have 100 per million left, okay, which is not very many. And you take it up one more notch to 99.39, you have 10 per million. But the Ariix Purity filter filters out bacteria up to 99.9999%, which is 1 per million remaining. It filters out the cyst all the way up. When you turn this up to 99.99, it filters out 1 per 10,000 is how it's measured. Viruses, there's 100 per 10,000 at 99%. When you use the Purity filter, it goes up to 99.99 for viruses, 1 per 10,000 remaining. Parasites in the water, okay? As you filter this up and you move this up, you can see it filters out 99.9% parasites, 1 per 10,000. So the Purity filter in the Purity bottle used combined together filters this maximum all the way across here to get the maximum amount of bacteria, cysts, viruses, parasites out of the water that's in our water supply. In many water sources, our water's being polluted by pesticides in our earth and all kinds of sources. The third world countries have such pollution in their water source. And the portable Purity water filter filters up to 50 gallons of water, all the way up to 99.9999 purity. Amazing. If you're a survivalist, if you're a prepper, if you're just a everyday person, a sports enthusiast that wants to drink pure water and put pure water in your body, if you want to quit buying those plastic water bottles and putting them into landfills, then you need to be owning a Purity water bottle, either stainless steel or flexible, and buy the Purity filter at buypuritii.com. And you'll be amazed at the quality of water that you will get out of this. So visit buypuritii.com. There's a frequent asked questions there. If you have any more questions, you can email me. We're looking for reps to rep this product. It's just been released here the first part of June 2012. And we're very excited about the future of this product throughout the world. Thank you.